Hi, my name is Leisky. Today I'm gonna be presenting the Human Brain Project for the class EDP 310. Okay, so what the research said about the Human Brain Project. The Human Brain Project uses advanced technology to study how our brain works. What makes this project special is that it's not just about science, it also thinks about how research affects society and people. It encouraged responsible practices and public involvement, which means that the goal is not only to understand the brain, but to do it in a way that benefits everyone. How our mental state affect our daily life. Okay, so the way our brain works affect everything. How we act, how we feel, how we understand others. The Human Brain Project helps us explore how the brain influences real-life situations like relationship, emotions, and decision-making. It helps us connect. It help connect science with everyday life. Okay, so we have thinking and decision-making. This project gives research powerful tools to study how we think, learn, and make decisions. It combines neuroscience with computing and digital models, which means it can simulate parts of the brain. This helps us understand how thinking works and how it connects to the human behavior. It also relates to human interests or how people interact with the world. Okay, so why are you interested in the topic? The reason why I am interested in this topic is since I was little, I have been fascinated by psychology. I have always been curious about how we process emotions and why humans' behaviors can sometimes be predictable. I started notice how this knowledge is used in so many areas like marketing, education, religion, and therapy. I also became interested in criminal psychology and wanted to understand how some people seem to lack empathy or a sense of ethics. For me, the Human Brain Project is exciting because it connects science and technology with these deep questions about the human mind. It makes me feel that learning about the brain can help us understand ourselves and others in a more meaningful way. Okay, so key lessons from the Human Brain Project. We have some of the key lessons. They help us understand how we process our emotions, decisions, and thought. Technology helps us store data that give us information about mental patterns. China project show how global research is using AI and neuroscience together. This knowledge can improve how we approach education, mental health, and literature. Okay, why this topic matters for everyone. I think that this is important for everyone because it helps us improve communication, learning, and emotional awareness. Brain science can lead to better understanding between people. The Human Brain Projects give us tools to study emotions and behaviors, and sharing this knowledge can help create a great community and informed society. Okay, global collaborations for brain projects. Brain research is happening all over the world. China Brain Project, for example, is focusing on AI in primary studies. But when countries share data and ideas, we make faster progress. Of course, this also brings challenges like how to manage privacy, ethics, and fairness in the use of brain data. Okay, so we have here scientific studies with the brain simulator. Brain simulators are like digital models that allow scientists to test ideas without using real people. This helps us understand thinking, memory, and even mental health problems like depression. These tools also help create smarter AI and robots, which can be used in medicine, education, or even customer service. Okay, so benefits from studying the brain. The project is opening the door to exciting new things like brain-computer interface and personalized learning. But as we learn more, we also have to be careful. These are big questions about identity, privacy, and ethics. It is important the science continues to grow, but in a way that respects human values. Okay, and then we have here conclusion. In the end, the Human Brain Project shows how brain science can improve mental health, education, and personal growth. It gives us the chance to better understand emotions, behaviors, and how we think. This knowledge can help us and to be more mindful and create a more connected and caring world. Thank you for staying. Bye.